for more, isang karangalan na makasama natin today ang magagaling na TV hosts at sportscaster na sina Andre at Martin. At syempre, gusto nating makita kung anong mga paandar ang gagawin nila sa pag-a-annotate sa mga videos na ipapakita natin sa kanila.
Ito na, ilalabas nyo na ang mga natatago ninyong mga galing dito sa challenge na ito. Simulan natin kay Martin. You first.
Ito magaling to.
This is gonna be
trabaho niya yan eh.
Ang hirap mag-host kasama yung mga hosts. So, parang humble pa.
Mas
pressure.
I apologize that we're putting you in this position, ha?
Oo nga. Pero na-enjoy din namin, to be honest.
Okay, let's go.
Sila lang.
Sige, kaya natin to.
Go!
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go!
Okay, ano ba tong video na to?
Video na to. Uy,
Annotate.
Ay, wow.
Yeah.
Ano siya?
si Mars Camille. Oh, it's playtime with the kids today. At kasama yung mga friends nila na animals dito. Look at that. And look at how creative they got. There's an elephant, there's a tiger. Kuya Kim! In a pool of balls. Kuya Kim, what are you doing there? This is his fitness routine. Kasama yung sa fitness routine. And this is, speaking of fitness, look at Iago. This is while being some months along his pregnancy journey. Still working out hard. Look at that. Going hard with, I'm not sure what this exercise is, but I mean, these are great activities coming from our Mars and Mars. At meron pang pa-chan si Iya. I think this is 5 months into her pregnancy. Okay. Look at that. Thank you.
Thanks, Martin.
Thank you.
At saka ano, Mars, mahirap pa kasi tatlong magkakaibang video.
Oo. Tapos magkailangan smooth yung transition mo.
Oo, walang chance. Hindi siya binigyan ng chance para swabe.
I like the energy there.
Thanks,
Andrea, you're
Martin.
next.
Alright, thank you for having me.
Let's go, Dre.
Bye-bye. Ang galing. Hindi guys, the bar.
Andre, ako, ikaw pa ba?
Okay.
Andre, next
Sige,
ka.
ito. Okay, ready?
Okay.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Okay, ito na. Okay, we can see, Mars. Cams just woke up, gagawa pa siya ng coffee. And it's very important to start the day with coffee. And of course, coffee and Bible goes well together. Ito naman, we can see family bonding with Mars. Cams with a beautiful, beautiful family. Ito na ang kanilang everyday, I guess, routine nila. It's working out, walking together as a family. And as you can see, laki talaga ng backyard. Look at this backyard. It is huge. Ni Mars. Yeah, look at this backyard. I wish I had this backyard. Ito naman, they are doing a trail, if I'm not mistaken, because it is important to spend time with family. Ito naman, bonding. Very important. Sana all. Sana all. I wish I had it. Di ko alam yung feeling na, but congrats. Ito naman, we have Pars.
Congrats.
Kim. Having a group. You know what they say? The more, the merrier. Meron silang group. I guess running, jogging in the morning. Ito naman, they are in the location. Ito naman, may guest, Guardia Civil. Tuloy pa rin ang kanilang pagtakbo. Umabot naman sila dito sa Jones Bridge, tapos sa Chinatown naman. Oh my goodness, how do you do this?
Huwag gayahin ang mask na nakabukas.
Ano ba yan?
Nice one, Pars, Andre!
My goodness.
Okay, hindi ko kinaya yung sana all.
Sana all.
Sorry na.
I'd like to
Sinama
explain
pa-
lang ha, yung mask nakabukas yun kasi running mask yun eh. Only when you're running and then you close it already.
Oh, I see.
Pagka socially distanced kami binuksan.
Akala ko
tapos-
hindi lang kinaya ng mask mo, yung life mo.
Yeah.
Hindi siya makakip up sa'yo, Kuya Kim.
Yes,
Kaya
Kuya.
bumuka na lang siya.
Correct.
Oo.
May zipper yun, may zipper. Yeah.
But nice one, guys.
So, sinong idol niyo sa hosting?
Ay, Sting.
Or internationally?
Ako, idol ko, international, Conan O'Brien.
Oh yes,
O'Brien.
internationally. Conan O'Brien as well. Humor, importante
Yeah,
yan eh.
humor. Kasi bilis niya.
Bilis sometimes kasi when you talk to people, you gotta be honest, minsan nagiging boring. Pero pag sinama mo ng humor, I mean, magiging engaging po siya sa mga tao.
Eh, dito. Locally.
Ay, locally. Sino ba?
Si Kuya Kim ako.
Susun?
Gagaling sumagot talaga nito, kuya.
I like you.
I like you, I like you.
Kuya Kim sa'yo?
Benji Paras.
I'm gonna go with Mars Cams and Mars Ian. Even playing
We
field.
like you, we like you.
Okay. Just,
See you again sa next episode.
Kaya nga eh.
Guess natin ulit ha.
Magaling mambola.
Kayo ba, guys? Meron ba kayong mga hindi malilimutang experience pagdating sa hosting?
Ako.
Like one major boo-boo or one major super bongga.
Siguro isa na yun, Mars, yung ginawa nila, yung pinagawa natin sa kanila ngayon.
You think so?
Kasi you know what,
Parang
Mars, I have to say that annotating a video, it's a
yeah.
certain skill and not just porket host ka, not all hosts can do that.
Lalo na kung hindi mo alam yung video na i-annotate mo.
There are different
It
types
was a
of hosting.
surprise.
Oo, may pang variety, may pang news. So iba-iba, may iba rin pang sports. Mahirap din yan.
Correct.
Oo, so what's something na hindi nyo mamalimutan?
Well, besides this, obviously, I guess I'm just thankful yung mga ginagawa kong mga pag-host, taping siya.
Okay.
And di naman mawawala yung mga nakakalimutan mo yung script or
Nabubulol.
nabubulol ka.
Yeah.
Pero wag naman yung take 5, take 6. Oh my goodness, nangyayari sa akin yan. And minsan nakakaya kasi lalo na pagkasama mo yung mga veterano.
Yes.
Like yung mga judges or yung mga may nanonood sa'yo.
Yes.
Eh parati nagkakamali. Mapapaisip ka,
Dapat ba
ibabalik
nandito
ba ako
ako?
next? Yes. Am I worthy of this job? But of course, with all the mistakes you make, kailangan learn from it.
Tsaka may pambawi
Sabi,
ka.
Yes.
dahil mga seasoned hosts daw tayo, we're supposed to rate them the way they hosted. O,
Of course, I'm gonna rate both of them 10. Hindi madali
Ikaw,
yun
ano ka?
ah!
10! Ako!
Yes, yan sa...
10.1!
Yes! Takas!
Inagatan pa kami. Tsaka hindi, pasok the sense of humor doon sa pag-annotate.
Yes.
Subtle, but really funny. Nice one, guys.